Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be watching a clip, basically a deleted scene from Marco. So they have just uploaded it, but the video on YouTube was not subtitled, so I asked one of my viewers, shout out to you Jitin, to subtitle the video because I wanted to watch it and react to it. So he was very kind and gracious enough to do it. So let's watch this scene, and it's like a almost a 3.5 minute scene. So yeah, let us begin.
എന്താ പറ്റിയേ? ആരാ മെത്തേഡ് പിടിച്ചേ?
ബസ്സിൽ വെച്ച അവരെ പോലീസ് കൊണ്ടുപോയി.
പോലീസ് കൊണ്ടുപോയോ? അതെങ്ങനെ ശരിയാവാ? വണ്ടി കയറ. എങ്ങട്?
The cigarette is still there.
Marco. ഈ കേസ് ഞാൻ തീരുമാനം ഉണ്ടാക്കും. പിന്നെ ഈ മയിൽപ്പീലികളെ ഞാൻ മാജിസ്ട്രേറ്റിന് എടുത്തു കൊണ്ടുപോകും. അവർ ജാമ്യത്തിൽ പോട്ടെ. ഇതൊന്നും അത്ര വലിയ തെറ്റല്ലല്ലോ മോളെ. മോളുടെ വീട്ടില് 2 വീലറും 4 വീലറും ഉള്ളതല്ലേ, പിന്നെ എന്തിനങ്ങനെ ബസ്സിൽ കയറി അള്ളി പിടിച്ചോണ്ട് പോണത്?
ഇതൊക്കെ നല്ല ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ കാര്യം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോ ഞങ്ങളൊക്കെ കുറ്റക്കാരായി.
ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ പിള്ളേരോരോ തമാശകളെ ഇതൊന്നും വലിയ വിശ്വാസമാർഗോ.
ചന്തി തൊട്ടതും പിടിച്ചാണ് പ്രശ്നമെങ്കിലേ മോളെ എന്നാ എന്റെ പിടിച്ചോ. എന്റെ പിടിച്ചോ. എന്താ ഇന്നാ പിടിക്കണോ? പിടിക്കണോന്ന്
പിടിച്ചാ മോളെ.
He's gonna just slap him. No?
ആദ്യം ഇവൻ ഇടിക്കും.
I think this probably is the most normal action sequence. That's why they didn't put it. That's why it's part of the deleted scene. You know, because Sony Live, they have not released the uncut version. So I don't know, they need to do something to just get the uncut version out, maybe. I don't know. God! Something about hand-to-hand combats that I love. She's proud. She's so happy. Oh, we needed more of that. Okay, let me stop this. You know what they could do? They could just release not really the uncut version, but they could just release snippets like this of couple of fight scenes, because I'm sure there would be a lot more. And this seemed very normal because, you know, whatever passed through the censor board with the A certification, that was brutal. I mean, now that we have all been exposed to the second half of the film where the whole family, oh spoiler alert, the whole freaking family gets completely like butchered. So I think because we've been exposed to that, this feels this feels so normal, and I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, because I feel that when you watch such brutality in movies and all, your brain kind of gets desensitized to like these particular fight scenes. It's just because, these kind of fight scenes are also supposed to give you certain high, not really high, maybe adrenaline high, yes, because it's like a hand-to-hand combat. It's very well choreographed, I have to say, but because Marco had such level of brutality that now I'm watching this, I'm like, yeah, obviously they would have cut this out because it's just too normal. It's just way too normal. That's just my opinion. But I would love to have like this kind of discussion with you guys in the comments, that what do you think that where do we find the balance? Because personally, I am pretty much desensitized to gore. It doesn't ick me when I watch it. Of course I feel bad and uncomfortable, but I am not the person who just close the eyes. I'm like, oh my god, I cannot tolerate this, I cannot watch it. But because there are a lot of old Korean movies that I've watched, Korean action films. In Hollywood also there's so much like gore. I remember when I watched this film, Saw. I think that was the first gory film that I've ever watched. And I was a teenager at that time. How I got hands on that movie, you don't have to know that. But I am telling you that, so I think maybe because I watched it, I was exposed to it as a teenager, maybe that's why I'm so desensitized in watching gore. It doesn't affect me because the first time I watched it, I was like, okay, this is disgusting. So I don't know. This is a very interesting conversation, because where do you draw the line? For me, yes, this was great, well choreographed and all of that, but doesn't compare to what we have seen in the film. And because of that comparison, I feel that scenes like this, which is definitely well choreographed in terms of action, in terms of hand-to-hand combat, they don't get that kind of appreciation. I know I'm just going in a completely different tangent, but it just came in my mind that, yeah, because I don't think anybody would appreciate this scene, because you have that staircase scene which was just absolutely incredible. Then you have the family getting completely butchered, which was for the shock value. So how much shock is too much shock for the shock value? I just want to understand that from you guys. Like, I want to know your perspective in that where do you think that the line needs to be drawn? Because here they have pushed the boundaries here for sure, and they have got appreciated. We have got an appreciation for that, because no other film would dare, like not many films would dare to do that, and that is why such films actually gain like a cult following, right, over the years. So, and this will definitely be in the Malayalam film repertoire. This would be a film that would be remembered for a very, very long time, for the representation, for the action, for the brutality, even though if not much for the story, but people will always remember the action and the brutality and the gore that was presented. So that is why I asked that question, that how much is too much as per you guys. So because it's always, for us, it's a choice that, okay, if you know that you cannot take that brutality, you will not watch it. So there's this argument that if you can't take it, then don't go and watch it. But then for people like me who don't get the ick while watching it, how does it alter our brain chemistry? Like, till what point I would be so desensitized that when I watch it on screen, when I watch such brutality on screen, I'll be like, okay, yeah, I know this is cruel, but I'm still able to watch it. That's interesting. From a psychological, I don't know, whoever watching, some of you would be students of psychology or have studied that. So, because human brain is very fascinating that way. So that's why I wanted to understand and get that perspective, because we had this huge discussion in the Hindi belt when Animal released, right? And that movie was loved left, right and center, and criticized also left, right and center because of the violence that was shown. So like, same, how much is too much violence? Because there was this whole discourse that, okay, it's going to affect these films negatively, affect the society. And there was this another argument that, just watch a film as a film. Like, you are not dumb. People are not dumb. People know the difference between what is real and what is cinema. So, but there was this another very valid argument that film and reality are very, very interconnected. One inspires the other and vice versa. So it's, yeah, interesting. So I've talked a lot, I've blabbered a lot, and I'm glad. Thank you once again, before I sign off, thank you once again, Jitin, for subtitling this video for me, because I really wanted to watch this scene. And yes, I'm going to sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!